Okay, so a few moves that we could put together into a short sequence. If you stand with your weight on the left foot, the right foot in front, we can take it into some snake arms. If you just follow along with me, take it into the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll curl the wrists up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to put the foot next to you, bring your arms down and do some figures of 8. 4 figures of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll take it into some hip accents. Out and bump and bump and bump back into figures of 8. Round, 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 round. Again, bump the hips, doubles on each side. And figures of 8. Round, 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 and round. Okay. Let's do that again, and then we'll add a couple more moves. So in this position, and we take it into the snake arms. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl the hands up, drawing a circle with your middle finger. Put the foot next to you. Figures of 8 as you bring the arms down. Now hip bumps to the side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Figures of 8 again. Round and round and round and round. Again, bump, 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 and round and round. Now you're going to do 8 hip drops on the right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go into a figure of 8 on this side again. 1, 2, and this time stay on this side as you do hip drops on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and round and round and round. And to finish, we're going to shimmy. Shimmy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll show off a little bit and do a few snake arms while we shimmy. Okay, let's try one more time, putting it all together. So, foot in front, snake arms here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl the wrists up, 2 curls, and up. Figures of 8, 2, 3, 4. Hip accents, out, out. Send the hip out to the side. Figures of 8 again, round, round, round. Hip bumps again, out, bump, 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 bump. Good. And figures of 8. Now 8 hip drops on the right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go into a figure of 8, but leave the weight on this side. Hip drops on the left hip. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Figures of 8. Round, round. Now shimmy for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add snake arm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finish. Good job, well done.